Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And let's give you a little update here. You can see right there the ryegrass definitely is the winter chicken dinner. It came in first. And actually it is, there's two varieties right there. They both popped up at the same time. This block looks funny because I actually was out here last night at 10 o'clock raking it and slicking it back down. I got tired, so I went home, went to bed, got up this next day, and I've got to rake out the rest of this, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. I got germination everywhere. Not super good coverage yet, but I've got germination all over the place. And let me show you why I need to rake this out. See these channels right here? Look at that right there. Matter of fact, I'm gonna set the camera up right here because you'll be able to see it really good how this changes this right here once I rake it. You can see I got germination everywhere but in the channels. There's a little teeny tiny bit of seed in those channels, but I just need to get this spread back out a little more even. So let's get with it because the rain is coming and I don't want to get wet. So let's start on this worst block right here, and you can see I put the flags back out so that I can follow my lines when I'm raking, and I won't drag one seed over to the other plot. I'm not putting a lot of pressure on this. Very little pressure, just enough to kind of scratch the surface. Now when I get to a spot that doesn't need anything, like that spot I just went over, I just skim over it and keep going. I'm not actually moving anything. All right, let me come right here. I'll follow this flag over to that flag. The cool thing about this Groundskeeper rake are these super thin tines on it, and the majority of the stuff you're leaving it behind, and that's what I want to do. I'm not trying to remove something. I'm just simply trying to redistribute or rescatter. And yes, there's germinated seed all in through here. I'm walking all over it. I'm raking over top of it, and I am in absolutely no way concerned about that. All right, we're at a good little spot right here. I'm gonna get you down on the ground so you can kind of see what I'm seeing. You see this spot right here? That was like a really bad channel. So when I rake this stuff up, I'm actually going back and scattering it right back over that spot. Look at that, how it covered it right back up. See this washed out ridge right here? Look at that. One lick. Got it. All right, so I got 12 more boxes to do, so I'm gonna call this video quits, put the camera back in the truck because the rain is supposed to be here in about 2 hours. So I got to get with it and get this done. The objective of this video was to show you that when you do a seed job and you get washout and that kind of thing, be persistent and be consistent and get out there, fix it as soon as possible. That way you don't hinder or delay any progress. And basically that's all I'm doing, is out here raking around, redistributing the seed evenly over the test plots. And I've already got germination over the majority of it, and this will actually help even out the germinations. Some of the seed that's not germinated yet, I'm actually just rescattering it evenly all around the plot. So I imagine after the rain this week, probably middle of next week, this thing should be close to getting full or 75%-ish full, and then we'll kind of look at it and see if I need to add any more seed at that point. But I kind of doubt I will, because I seeded them pretty dang heavy when I went down. 10 pounds a thousand on the rye, 10 pounds on the fescue, and 5 pounds a thousand on the blue. So I think it's enough seed here. It's just I gotta get it even back out. So as always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later.